Take this 2000 Freightliner for a drive. 1,241,016 miles. All the gauges work. Good air pressure, good oil pressure. I started out in third on the low side, so it has nice gears for driving around the field. That's low on the high side. Nice driving old truck. There's high gear. Drives nice down the road. Left goes steering wheel. Everything works like it should. Rides really nice. Good old truck.